The guy who threw a Subway sandwich at an officer in Washington, D.C., was charged with assault with a deadly weapon.
I was walking in the jungle and I saw this lizard on his hind legs telling some brilliant jokes. I turned to a local tribesman and said that lizard's really funny. He said that's not a lizard. He's a stand-up chameleon.
When God created Earth, He said He will put a good woman in every corner. Then He made the Earth round.
A waxing moon makes me feel like garbage. I'm only happy when it wanes.
I asked my cat how he was doing. He said I'm feline fine.
For my entire life, I've been too nervous to try Texas barbecue. But I think I'll brisk it.
The police are investigating the death of a man who was killed a can of chickpeas. It's an obvious case of homicide.
What should you do if you see a spaceman? You park your car in it, man.
How does Neil Armstrong keep his pants up? With an asteroid belt.
Why was the baby jalapeno shivering? He was a little chilly.
My son texted me to say he was sorry for failing his spelling test. I replied, "You're a chimp off the old block."
My little nephew Mark always asks about something. We call him question mark.
Get ready for more laughs and groans following this short break. If a deaf person goes to court, is it still considered a hearing?
Why the man didn't learn how to fish? Because he was unschooled.
What concert is 45 cents? 50 cents and Nickelback.
My son thinks it's absolutely hysterical when I pop my joints. I'm quite the crack up.
I made a little stick figure guy using only text. He's quite the character.
It's hard to explain puns to kleptomaniacs. They're always taking things literally.
Why can't you write short stories about boxers? Because then they'd be briefs.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Montgomery Jones.
Keep listening until the end of the episode for a bonus joke. We're on a mission to spread the laughs and groans far and wide. Please share these jokes with your family and friends today. Looking for more dad joke humor to share? Then subscribe to our new weekly email newsletter. It's our weekly roundup of the best dad jokes, memes, and humor for you to enjoy. Spread the laughs and groans and sign up today. Check the sign up link in the show notes page or visit dailydadjokespodcast.com. The Daily Dad Jokes podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits. This show was recorded in front of a canned studio audience. My uncle has such a receding hairline. That is a horizon hairline.